Good evening. Before you settle in for the night, I want you to think about something that most people never consider, yet it could be one of the most important habits for protecting your brain as you grow older. What you eat during the final hours before bedtime may influence how well your brain repairs itself while you sleep. The right foods can support memory, reduce inflammation, and provide the nutrients your brain needs during its nightly maintenance cycle. The wrong foods, on the other hand, may interfere with that process. This isn't about expensive supplements or the latest health trend. It's about simple, everyday foods that you can find at almost any grocery store. Modern research continues to show that certain nutrients play an important role in supporting brain health, especially later in life. As we age, our brains naturally become more vulnerable to inflammation, oxidative stress, and slower communication between brain cells. While no single food can prevent or cure memory problems, a healthy diet combined with quality sleep, regular exercise, and medical care can help support cognitive health over time. Tonight, we're counting down 5 bedtime foods that may help nourish your brain while you sleep. We'll start with number 5 and work our way to the food I believe deserves the top spot. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me your age. Have you noticed any changes in your memory or mental sharpness over the past few years? Your experiences help build a supportive community where people can learn from one another. Now let's begin. Number 5. Blueberries. Our first food may be small, but it delivers an impressive nutritional punch. Blueberries. Most people think of blueberries as a breakfast fruit, but they may also make an excellent evening snack. Blueberries are naturally rich in compounds called anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep blue color. These plant compounds have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. As we get older, low-grade inflammation can gradually affect the brain. Scientists believe this chronic inflammation may contribute to age-related changes in memory and thinking. Antioxidants found in blueberries may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and support healthy communication between neurons. Several studies have found that regularly eating blueberries is associated with improvements in certain aspects of memory and cognitive function in older adults. While research is still ongoing, the findings are encouraging and suggest that blueberries can be a valuable addition to a brain-healthy diet. If you'd like to include them in your evening routine, try enjoying about half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. Pairing them with a source of healthy fat, such as plain Greek yogurt or a few walnuts, may help create a satisfying bedtime snack. Small habits, repeated consistently, often produce the greatest long-term benefits. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Coming in at number 4 is another food that many people already have in their refrigerator: plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein, calcium, and several nutrients that support overall health. One reason it stands out as a bedtime food is its rich supply of casein protein, which digests slowly over several hours. This slow digestion provides a steady release of amino acids throughout the night. Protein is essential not only for maintaining muscle, but also for supporting the normal repair and maintenance of tissues throughout the body, including the brain. Greek yogurt also contains tryptophan, an amino acid involved in the production of serotonin and melatonin. These natural compounds help regulate the sleep-wake cycle, making Greek yogurt a smart choice for an evening snack. Research suggests that consuming protein before bed may support overnight protein synthesis in older adults, helping the body make better use of the nutrients it receives during sleep. For the best results, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, rather than flavored varieties that contain added sugar. A serving of about 1 cup, enjoyed 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, can be both filling and nutritious. For an even greater nutritional boost, add a handful of blueberries from number 5. Together, they create a delicious combination of protein, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that fits well into a balanced bedtime routine. Now we've covered numbers 5 and 4. The next foods on our list provide nutrients that play an even more direct role in supporting healthy brain function, and one of them has been studied extensively for its connection to memory and cognitive performance. Let's continue with number 3. Welcome back. We've already explored 2 simple bedtime foods that may help support brain health as you age. Now it's time to move into the top 3. These next foods contain nutrients that have been widely studied for their potential role in protecting memory, supporting healthy brain function, and reducing age-related cognitive decline. While no food is a miracle cure, adding them to a balanced diet may help give your brain the support it needs over the long term. Number 3. Walnuts. At number 3, we have walnuts. Unlike many other nuts, walnuts are especially rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. They also contain polyphenols, vitamin E, melatonin, and several antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Your brain is made up largely of healthy fats, and maintaining those fats becomes increasingly important as we age. Although the body converts only a small amount of ALA into DHA, the omega-3 most concentrated in the brain, walnuts still provide valuable nutrients that contribute to overall brain health. Multiple observational studies have found that people who regularly eat walnuts tend to perform better on tests of memory, learning, and cognitive function than those who rarely eat them. While these studies cannot prove cause and effect, the results have been consistently encouraging. Another reason walnuts make an excellent evening snack is that they naturally contain small amounts of melatonin, a hormone involved in regulating sleep. Better sleep supports your brain's nightly housekeeping process, during which waste products are cleared away and memories are consolidated. A practical serving is about 1 ounce, or roughly 14 walnut halves, about an hour before bedtime. For an even more nutritious snack, combine walnuts with the blueberries we discussed earlier. Together, they provide healthy fats, fiber, antioxidants, and important micronutrients, all in one simple bowl. Number 2, raw honey. Coming in at number 2 is a food that often surprises people: raw honey. Many people hear the word honey and immediately think sugar. While honey does contain natural sugars, raw honey also provides small amounts of antioxidants, flavonoids, enzymes, and other naturally occurring compounds that are largely removed during heavy processing. Research suggests that certain antioxidants found in honey may help reduce oxidative stress, one of the factors associated with normal brain aging. Some laboratory and animal studies have also explored honey's potential effects on learning and memory, although more high-quality human research is still needed. Another reason some people enjoy a small amount of honey before bed is that it can be a gentle source of carbohydrates. For some individuals, this may help maintain stable overnight energy availability and support restful sleep, although responses vary from person to person. It's important to remember that moderation matters. Too much honey can contribute excess sugar and calories, particularly for people with diabetes or those monitoring their blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or another medical condition, speak with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. If you'd like to try it, limit yourself to 1 teaspoon of raw, unprocessed honey about 30 minutes before bedtime. Stir it into warm, not boiling herbal tea, or add a small amount to plain Greek yogurt. This combination provides protein, healthy nutrients, and just a touch of natural sweetness without overwhelming your system. So far, we've covered blueberries, Greek yogurt, walnuts, and raw honey. Each offers its own unique combination of nutrients that may help support healthy brain function when included as part of an overall balanced lifestyle. But the number 1 food on this list stands apart because it provides nutrients that are fundamental building blocks of the brain itself. If you're serious about supporting your memory as you grow older, you won't want to miss the final recommendation. Let's move on to number 1. Welcome back. We've reached the final recommendation on our countdown. The foods we've discussed so far all provide valuable nutrients that may support brain health. But the number 1 food stands out because it supplies nutrients that are major structural components of the brain itself. Number 1. Fatty fish. At the top of our list is fatty fish, especially salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are among the richest natural sources of DHA and EPA, the 2 long-chain omega-3 fatty acids that play a vital role in brain health. Unlike plant-based omega-3s, which the body converts only in small amounts, DHA and EPA are available in the forms your brain can use directly. DHA is one of the most important fats found in the brain. It helps maintain healthy cell membranes, allowing brain cells to communicate efficiently. As we age, maintaining these healthy membranes becomes increasingly important for memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. Research has consistently found that people who regularly consume fatty fish tend to have better cognitive performance and a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline than those who rarely eat fish. While diet is only one part of the picture, it appears to be an important one. Fatty fish also provide several nutrients that many older adults don't get enough of, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and high-quality protein. These nutrients support healthy nerve function, energy production, and overall brain health. Another advantage is that fatty fish is naturally satisfying without being heavily processed. A modest serving in the evening can help you feel full while providing your body with nutrients it can use during the overnight recovery process. Aim for a serving of baked, grilled, or steamed salmon, sardines, or mackerel 2 or 3 times each week. If you choose canned fish, look for varieties packed in water or olive oil with minimal added sodium. Putting it all together. Let's quickly review the 5 foods we've covered. Number 5. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants that help protect brain cells. Number 4. Plain Greek yogurt, providing protein and nutrients that support overnight recovery. Number 3. Walnuts, offering healthy fats and antioxidants linked with cognitive health. Number 2. Raw honey, enjoyed in moderation as a source of natural antioxidants and a simple bedtime addition. Number 1. Fatty fish, one of the best dietary sources of DHA and EPA for supporting long-term brain health. Remember, no single food can prevent dementia or guarantee perfect memory. Your brain benefits most from the combination of nutritious eating, regular physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, staying socially connected, and keeping your mind active through lifelong learning. Small, consistent habits often have the greatest impact over time. Choosing healthier foods in the evening is just one simple step you can take to support your brain for years to come. If you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us which of these foods you already eat, or which one you're planning to add to your evening routine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based health and nutrition content designed to help you stay healthy, active, and independent as you age. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, sleep well, and remember that every healthy choice you make today is an investment in a healthier tomorrow.